again. As you may have guessed, I have more things in my box. This one's pretty cool. I've never seen anything like this before. So I actually thought it was kind of a neat little thing. We've never done anything like this before. So, that was really loud, sorry. We have a sheet box. This is like a beginner felting kit. So it's not going to be a project, but instead it's going to be much needed supplies for things that you will need in your felting journey. Of course, I'm talking about needle felting. It's my favorite kind of felting, so naturally I'm inclined to talk about it. And it comes with several things. I'm just going to show you all the little individual thingies. So this is your felting pad. This is made out of wool, which is very, very cool. The nicest thing about these like wool felt pads, of course, is that you're not putting foam into a landfill at some point. This will eventually biodegrade, which is really cool. I really like that. I'm very conscious of that kind of thing. So if you are as well, that will be interesting to you. You also get some fiber to go with, just as a little starter. And then you have these little leather finger guards, which is kind of nice if you're like me and you get going and you get really excited and then you go, ow, this is helpful. So A, slow down. B, have those. It would be very helpful. And then, of course, you have your needles. Now, this is sealed, so I'm not going to open it up and show you what's inside, but, of course, needles and that kind of thing in here. And then you have a booklet that tells you all the stuff that you have and what it's used for and how you might use it if you're not familiar. So it is basically just especially helpful for somebody who wants to start in on felting but doesn't find themselves very inclined to any of the little kits and stuff, which I totally understand. It's you know, a lot of them are very cute, but if you just don't tend to find any of them attractive, then you might be a little bit put off from felting, and hopefully this will be a solution to that. Since you're going to be 20% off, if you want to try out felting, this is a good way to do it. So check it out. Also, this box is really cute.